Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we had a lecture about verb. Now here we have got an exercise in which there are errors in the use of verb and tenses. Let's try to correct these sentences and understand the correct use of verb and tenses. The first sentence is open the knot. We open lids or we open cap. We don't open a knot. Knot is to be tied or untied. So the correct sentence is untie the knot. I hang the picture on the wall. The verb hang, hanged, hanged means to give capital punishment. And another meaning is hang, hung, hung. It means to suspend something with a hook or something else. So picture is to be hung, not to be hanged or not to be given capital punishment. The correct sentence is I hung the picture on the wall. He has given his examination. Give an examination means giving to give someone else an exam. Give an examination means to give someone else an exam or to give a test to someone else. Usually, teachers give a test to students. Teachers give an exam to students. Students take their exam. Students take their papers. Students take test. Take an exam means to be a candidate and or an examinee, or to be more closer to the meaning, or to be a student who takes the papers, who takes the test, or who takes the examination. So students take examinations. Very often teachers give exam to students. Teachers give test to a student. He has taken his examination is the correct sentence. The general invaded the enemy. Invade means to enter a country or a region and try to occupy it. To enter a country or region, to occupy it. Enemy is to be attacked. Enemy cannot be invaded. So the correct verb attack would carry the verb attack would carry proper sense here. The general attacked the enemy. He has taken admission. Admission is to be got. Admission cannot be taken. Admission is to be got. The verb get is used for admission. He has got admission. The mother with her daughters have come. The noun phrase mother is the subject of the sentence. So the helping verb should be used according to the subject of the sentence. The mother with her daughters has come. A number of boys is absent. A number of carries plural sense. It should also follow a plural helping verb. A number of boys are absent. The jury was divided. The noun phrase jury is used in plural sense here. It should also follow a plural helping verb. The jury were divided. 2 and 2 makes 4. SRES is used with present indefinite form of verb in present indefinite tense if the subject is singular. SRES is not used with present indefinite form of verb in present indefinite tense if the sentence has a plural subject. So the correct sentence is 2 and 2 make 4. I work hard lest I may not fail. Both these clauses are conjuncted by making use of lest conjunction. The conjunction lest follows the helping verb should. The conjunction lest has also a sense of not adverb in itself. So the conjunction lest follows the helping verb should, and it also does not follow not after it. Not is not used after the conjunction lest. The correct sentence is I work hard lest I should fail. He is suffering from fever for 10 days. For 10 days indicates continuous passage of time, and it is correlated with this activity. Both these indicate that the sentence should follow perfect continuous tense. Continuous passage of time correlated with the activity expressed in the sentence indicate that the sentence should follow perfect continuous tense. He has been suffering from fever for 10 days is the correct sentence. He has come here yesterday. Yesterday indicates, the adverb yesterday indicates that the sentence should follow past indefinite tense. He came here yesterday. Why you left the room without my permission? This sentence is interrogative, and it is interrogative by making use of why. Whenever we make sentences interrogative by making use of these adverbs why, when, where, whose, whom, after the use of these words are adverbs why, when, where. After their use, the sentence follows interrogative structure. The correct sentence is why did you leave the room without my permission? Why do you tell a lie? When did you go there? Where does he live? Whom do you want to see? All these sentences I have spoken are interrogative, and after these adverb why, when, where used in the sentences I have spoken were in interrogative structure. So why, when, where, whose, whom, after these the sentence follows interrogative structure in interrogative sentences. Why did you leave the room without my permission is the correct sentence. You should avail of this chance. There are some verbs which follow reflexive case of the pronoun used as a subject in the sentence. You should avail yourself of this chance. You should enjoy yourself. He absented himself from the class. So the verb avail, absent, enjoy, they follow reflexive case of the pronoun used as a subject of the sentence. You should avail yourself of this chance is the correct sentence. Either he or I are wrong. When either or are used to conjunct two pronouns in a sentence, the helping verb is used according to the second pronoun. So the correct sentence is either he or I am wrong. Full stop. Dear students, inshallah soon we will come up with our next assignment. Do go through the exercises related with these parts of speech and their correct use given in your grammar. If there are any questions, do ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.